So I got a topsy-turvy, the thing that you put your tomato plants in, and you can also put jalapeno plants in it. Any pepper plant really, bell pepper, hot pepper. But it's mainly made for tomatoes. And so I put a tomato plant in it, and as you can see, I have 2 tomatoes so far on the topsy-turvy, and there are also flowers on the other side. And what this is supposed to do is it pushes the sap down the stem, and as you can see where the sap is on the stem, there's more sap going toward the tomatoes that are growing and toward the flowers, which produces bigger and better tomatoes. You might be asking, why is this stem naked like that? I've been watching videos on YouTube, and the stems that don't create tomatoes or leaves on the tomatoes, and where you can't see the sap going down the stem, you're supposed to cut them off because they're producing water leaves, and that takes away from the flowering and also the sap concentration. And as you can see on the stem, if you can see, there's little prickly white hairs on the stem. That is the sap going toward the tomato leaves. That produces the eventual tomatoes on the other side. There is a lot of sap going toward these 2 particular tomatoes and flowers because I did cut the water leaves off of the stem, which is why the stem looks like it's naked. That will not hurt the plant. It actually produces better tomatoes, though it may produce less buds, but the tomatoes will be bigger and they will taste better. Inside of the topsy-turvy, I have organic soil mixed with chicken manure and also bat guano. I have not put any pesticides in it, such as like Miracle Grow, because it's not organic and I'm growing organic. So we'll see in a couple of days what the plant looks like, if it looks any different, and then we'll see in a couple of weeks how the plant looks after the tomatoes have grown.